Welcome ladies and gents. This particular machine I'm standing next to here is our 3-in-1. It is an actual shear press, pan brake and slip roll. Okay, so those three items here, ladies and gents, are controlled off the one wheel. The one wheel controls all three parts of the machine, and those parts are as follows. Underneath this little protective hood here, okay, which will remain down if using any other parts of the machine, is our slip rolling area, so we can actually roll, bend or shape forms a piece of sheet metal. We have our pan press area here, ladies and gents, which we can bend up to 45 degrees. Down in this section here, ladies and gents, is our actual pan brake, where we can actually bend up to 90 degrees. Down below that is our shears, or our guillotine area. So ladies and gents, this particular part is extremely sharp. Also too, ladies and gents, this particular machine is a one-person operating machine. You do not have multiple people using the machine at one time. Because all three parts are moving at one stage using the wheel, pinch points are very, very severe hazard on this machine. How the machine works. Basically, ladies and gents, by rotating the wheel, all of the parts of the machine do rotate or move in some fashion, and the part we're going to be showing you first is the guillotine. Okay, ladies and gents, what we have here is we're just going to show you with a piece of sheet metal now. We do have some protective film on this, so we'll just pull that out of the way. We've marked two edges that we're going to line up through in our previous demonstration. So lining up that position through the back of the actual guard there and against the edge of the blade, bringing our handle down, it will clamp. We can shear our piece off, continue the process, retracting our cut material, and then we'll actually extract our cut material from underneath the machine. When you extract your material from underneath the machine, ladies and gents, please be extremely careful of the sharp edges that are produced in this process, not to mention the offcuts and shards that may be actually present down underneath the machine. So removing our piece of material, we're now going to show you a process of rolling this and putting a bend in it. Righto, ladies and gents, we're here now and we've put a couple of marks on our job where we're going to show you how to bend this. So by retracting the wheel, we'll open up the mouth of our actual bending. We're going to place our bending piece in there. We're going to very gently bring down our actual wheel. Okay, so we're actually going to line up the centre point where we require it to bend. By applying a little bit of pressure gently, we can then continue. Be careful of the job as it lifts up. Retracting the handle, and now we have our bent piece of material. Okay, ladies and gents, we're now going to show you how to use our rolls. Now our rolls are covered by this guard, and the guard must be in place, okay, when the actual device is being used for any other method. Only when you're using the rolls will the actual guard be retracted. Okay, what we have here, ladies and gents, is three rolls. We have two fixed rolls, okay, that are adjusted at each end for pressure. We have another roll located at the rear of the machine, okay, which is adjusted from the rear of the machine, so we can actually increase the elevation to increase the diameter of our roll. How it works. Placing our piece of material into the rolls, turning the handle, it will get drawn into the machine. Continuing the rolling process, you will create your rolling piece of material. You can then extract by reversing. To give us our rolled piece of material. To work out the dimension of your piece of material to roll is pi times d. Will give you the true measurement. If you are assisting with an overlap for a joining method, please allow 20 to 25 mil on top of that true dimension worked out in that particular format or formula. Thank you.